Hey, what is going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com. Welcome to the live stream, guys. Haven't done one of these in a while, so make sure to hit that like button. And as always, I'm reading your comments. Welcome, Blue. Welcome, everybody, to the live stream. Please make sure to support this live stream, guys. Haven't done one of these in a while. And we're going to be trading Bitcoin live on Fairdesk. So I'm actually going to go on 5x leverage here because I'm pretty confident on this position. And, Bitcoin has been going up and down a lot, so it isn't impossible that we don't see a breakout, but I think it's more likely that we will fall back lower. So I'm going to set my take profit here around a little bit above $26,000. So let's go ahead and place starter position here. We're going to do $5,000, open short. Boom. And of course, guys, I'm using the best exchange out there, Fairdesk. A link to Fairdesk in the description of this live stream and in the pinned comment section below. Please check out Fairdesk, guys. It's the best platform out there for crypto trading, and also, in my opinion, the most trustworthy one, okay? They respect your privacy. They allow you to use a VPN if you're from US or Canada. So you have a lot of freedom with Fairdesk, and that's why it's the exchange that I use personally. I'm going to set my take profit here at, let's see, 26,000. Let's be safe here. We're going to do 26,823. Okay, that'll be a nice little, currently 20% profit, just about $1,000 here. And this is only half of my entry size. Okay, so if we go up a little bit higher, I'm going to add more as well. So just half entry here. And I'll explain why I am confident on a Bitcoin short here. So going back to the actual technicals, and welcome everybody to the live stream. Already 7 viewers. Thank you so much for the support, everybody. Love to be back. And please, guys, I haven't done a live stream in a while, so please make sure to hit that like button. There's a lot to talk about in the crypto space. And first and foremost, guys, we're going to be looking, of course, at none other than what Bitcoin has been doing, okay? So as you all know, just a couple of the basics, okay? We bounced off 16K, have been moving up since then until we faced very, very strong resistance around this 31K area. And then we fell back down, okay? We actually put in a low here of 25K again. Now, this low was actually a double bottom, okay? So let me go ahead and draw this out on the chart. It's pretty important and pretty big support right now. The question is, can we hold that, okay? And I personally think we will most likely not hold that. And I will explain that why in just a second, but that's why I entered my short trade here on Fairdesk, okay? They have some of the lowest fees in the space here. You can see the fees here, and you'll actually get VIP level 1 if you join through my referral link, guys. So you will truly be benefiting of some of the lowest, if not the lowest fees in the entire crypto trading space, on top of being on a fully functional professional platform that's trustworthy and respects your privacy, okay? You can use a VPN. You can use it from anywhere in the world. It's the exchange I use personally, and a link to Fairdesk in the description down below. They make these live streams possible. So big thank you to Fairdesk. Now, right now, Bitcoin right below 28K, okay, which is like why I like this short entry here. And so I filled half entry position. If we go up more, I'll add a bit. But for now, this will do. I'm on 5x leverage here. And normally, guys, I don't share the full detail of my trades with the take profit and stop loss. But I wanted to share it with you all here since I haven't done a live stream in a while. You, of course, have to join my Telegram group, okay? We've been making mad profits. I believe Blue here is one of our longtime members on the channel and also in the Telegram group. He can tell you all the massive trades that we've made. I think he made some 30% plus trades here in just the last 2 weeks alone. So if you want to join the Telegram group, link to the Telegram group down in the description below. You get live market insights, live trade ideas from me, educational content, and more, okay? Everybody who's joined has been extremely happy with it. And I want to thank our live 10 viewers here who are watching our live Bitcoin trade. We just entered the short position here. And there is also the possibility here, guys, that we do fall down to 21.5K. And in fact, if I were to change my take profit and let's say put, for example, 23,300 or so, that would be a massive $5,000 profit. I am considering to keep it to some lower levels like that, okay? Because like I said, if we go back to the chart here, what are we looking at? Well, yes, we have bounced a bit, okay, since we put in that bottom at 25K, But the fact of the matter, guys, and I'm sorry for anybody who is very bullish here, okay, but crypto has not been very strong, and Bitcoin is still below, okay, even though we got a bounce, guys, we are still trading below our previous uptrend line. Regaining this uptrend line is going to be very, very hard, okay? It was quite a steep uptrend line. So I think that, for the time being, right, we lost this uptrend line. And just to remind you, in what happened the last crypto winter, guys, when we lost our little pump here, our little mini bull run in the middle of the bear market cycle, we fell back down a lot, guys. We fell back down from the high 70%. Okay, so if we take that from here, if we're assuming that this is the same scenario, we could go all the way back down to 10,000 bucks, guys. Actually, a little bit below that. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen for sure, but based on the technicals, guys, the signs are that we are pointing towards going down here. Okay, and I feel pretty confident with this short. Up until at least 29K, maybe I'd consider exiting it, but I don't think we can consider ourselves bullish again until we break 31K. Okay, until then, guys, there's just too much downward pressure on the Bitcoin price, and it's not often that I short Bitcoin. I usually try and mostly be long on Bitcoin, but in a situation like this, I feel comfortable with the short position, guys. So for any of you who do want to place any trades, if you want to join on me on this trade, not financial advice, but you can do that on Fairdesk, guys. Link in the description below. You'll get extra discounts on the trading fees, VIP level 1, if you join through my referral link. A bunch of the viewers of Right Trader have actually joined Fairdesk as well. So don't miss out, guys. It's an amazing exchange. Link in the description down below. And you can see here, I'm already moving into the green territory. Now, I'm not expecting necessarily to see a massive drop very quickly, but we should slowly start trickling back down lower in this $27,000 range. And then, things are going to speed up, okay? And that's why I said I could actually keep this long, depending on, if I'm willing to wait 2-3 weeks, maybe a month and a half. I could keep it down to this 21,500 level, okay? Because that is ultimately our medium-term target here, is a drop back down like such. Now, of course, right, I'm being extra safe here, and I'm taking my profits right here, but keep in mind, I am missing out on some of the profits, okay? I'm targeting about a 6% move. I could actually target a bigger 23% move. It depends on what you want to do. Different trading styles, right? Different time frames. Of course, when you're aiming for a little bit larger medium-term moves, it could take, a month and a half to play out. So it just depends on your personal preference and time frames. As far as recent news in the crypto space, not that much. Some random hacks, what's new with crypto, random hacks, stuff like that. The main news, though, that I saw, apart from this Avalanche hack, was there is more info coming out about Sam Bankman-Fried, okay? So, in fact, let me see here. There was a pretty interesting article, if I can find it again, where, the whole situation with Sam Bankman-Fried is really unraveling more and more by the day, okay? And, how could that affect the crypto space? It depends on how you look at it, okay? But the information is coming out on how shady FTX was, and that's why I always say, guys, use a trustworthy exchange like Fairdesk. Link in the description down below. I'm already making profits. What's new, guys? You see me make profits in every single live stream. I don't know why you wouldn't join Fairdesk to trade with me. And of course, guys, if you want to get my live trades on a week-to-week, day-by-day basis, guys, where I share my take profit and stop loss, that's available to exclusively members of my Telegram group. Okay, you can also find the link to that in the description of this video and the pinned comment section in the live stream. So I want to say big shout out to Blue and Frank W here for always being on the live stream supporting me. Also, make sure to hit that like button if you haven't already. You can see now it's starting to trickle down, guys. Look at that. Already up $6 here. Buy myself a sandwich with that, but I want those bigger profits, guys. At least $1,000. At least, actually, you know what? We'll add a little bit more here. We're going to add 25%. There we go. So now we'll be making about 1,200 bucks here on this trade. This could close pretty quickly, right? This could close within a matter of days here in terms of when I expect that take profit to be hit. And I also always like to set last price for when to take the order. So let's see here. Do you guys have any questions? I haven't made a live stream in a very long time, guys. I am demonetized on YouTube, unfortunately. So haven't been that motivated to post as much. But I know that there's a lot of you who, really rely on my live streams and on my content. So I am back for all of you. The least you could do, please, leave a comment, ask me a question. If you have any questions, if you want me to do a technical analysis on any other coin, I will gladly do so for you. Or if you have questions about the crypto market, anything at all, just let me know in the comment section down below, guys. I am looking at your comments live. Of course, like I said, guys, like the live stream, hit that subscribe button. And let's see here in the last 7 days what's been moving higher. We got Render. Okay, Render is a pretty strong altcoin. It's been strong. It's been one of the strongest altcoins actually throughout this bear market. Avalanche did get a pretty nice bounce, but I saw news about a hack, so I don't know what the deal is. It is above $10 right now. Solana got a very, very nice pump back to above $20 here, currently sitting at $23. Solana is my #1 favorite altcoin right now, guys. Now, I would love for Solana to drop again below, 12, maybe even $10. That would be a golden opportunity in my opinion. Even at $23 for the long term, it is a pretty good buy. I'm very bullish on Solana despite the SBF drama. Okay, I think that the network in itself is very, very strong. It's one of the easiest networks to move money around, and that's why I like Solana so much. So very good altcoin in terms of its usability, function, and network. Actually, some of the better altcoins here, Avalanche, Solana, Polygon have actually gotten some nice little bounces. But keep in mind, guys, it all depends what Bitcoin is going to do. Okay, if Bitcoin falls, well, altcoins are going to get crushed again. Okay, we have Monero bouncing a bit, Gala bouncing a bit. Actually, quite a few altcoins bouncing a little bit. Okay, nothing crazy in terms of the underperformers. We have some ERC20 tokens here, actually. Okay, ApeCoin. Of course, anything that's extremely hype-based. Meme coins have not been performing good right now. That goes for Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, etc. Curve DAO, there's a lot of lingering issues with the Curve project. It is trickling down lower, still above 50 cents. Chainlink actually fell quite a bit here. I do think Chainlink could fall a bit more. So those are in terms of the worst performers and best performers. And then across the bigger coins here, we have Bitcoin just steady, right, neutral. And in fact, I wanted to talk to you guys about this. Don't get too biased in either side of the market, okay? Especially not bullish, but you can get overly bearish either, because if you look here, guys, for I'm going to call it almost a month, okay? For almost a month here, we've been fairly neutral on the fear and greed index. Okay, this is a very, very good indicator to know, when the market is going to be a bit more flat, when the market might see a big pump, okay, and when the market might see a big dump. And here you'll just take the inverse. Okay, if we're extremely bearish, most likely we're going to see a breakout, right? Shorts are going to get squeezed. If we're extremely bullish, most likely we're going to see a pullback. Okay, and right now we're just neutral, which is of course accurate to what Bitcoin has been doing here, since we've just been kind of range bound between 25K and 28K. And for now, guys, not saying that that can't change, but for now, there haven't been any signs of that changing yet. As soon as we break 25K again, guys, 21.5K is pretty much guaranteed. And at that point, guys, we're going to be quite low. And if we lose 20K, well, we're going to be seeing much, much lower levels, okay? At least down to around 19, 18K, and of course we could see a flush down to 10K if we do really see that meltdown happen. Once again, that hasn't happened yet, but that is the prediction there based on my analysis. As far as upside move, okay, if we break out above 29K, we'll be looking more bearish again, but I still want to see a break of around 31K and hold above that before I will start re-entering into long positions on Bitcoin, okay, because right now, I think there's too much, downside risk. And in fact, now that we've put in this sort of double top up here, we have actually, reformed a sort of downtrend line here. Okay, actually, let's see here, right there. Okay, all right, I can take it from this one. So there's actually quite a bit of downward pressure. Now we have temporarily managed to get above this downtrend line, but I'm not 100% confident that we will stay above this downtrend line, okay? In fact, here, based on the analysis, it looks like fairly quickly here, in a matter of about 2 weeks to a month, it does look like we could flush back down to 25K pretty easily. Now, of course, let me know your opinions on this. We have Brad Life saying, where do I reach out for a business proposal? Thank you for your interest, Brad Life. If you want to reach out for a business proposal, it's therighttrader@gmail.com, okay? You can find the email address on my YouTube channel, but it's going to be therighttrader@gmail.com. Frank W. asking, opinion on Matic founder leaving. I did not know about that news. Now, could you let me know who is the Matic founder? Are you talking about the original team that was from India? Is that who you're referring to? I mean, we've seen that happen with some other altcoins out there, right? Like for example, Polkadot. Now, for Polygon specifically, if you're asking me, I don't think it's too much of a concern as it is with Polkadot. I'm much more concerned about the Polkadot situation because there's a lot of investors and other people involved in the Polygon project that will keep it strong, especially in the bull markets. But, you know, it's never a great sign. But like I said, for Polygon, I wouldn't actually worry about it too much. There's a lot of other investors and partners that have heavy interest in the success of Polygon. So that is, you know, my opinion on that here. We're moving a little bit higher. Nothing to be concerned about. You know, I'm fully ready and even partially expecting to move a bit higher, which is why I didn't enter the full position here, as you can see. So no concerns there. You know, we're just kind of playing with this 28K level. We'll see, right? We could fairly easily make a run to 29K, and at that point, I'll probably enter the rest of this position here, okay? So, you know, my risk reward is fairly good right now. You know, if I put a stop loss around 29K, which I don't actually like setting stop losses for the most part in crypto, but I do sometimes, right? Especially when I take higher risk trades. But here I'm at 1-to-1, and keep in mind I haven't entered the full position size, okay? So there's no worries with that in terms of the risk reward ratio if I did have to get stopped out. And we're at 14 live viewers, guys. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the live stream. Very, very motivating for me to see all our 14 live viewers. Thank you for your support, guys. Hit that like button. We're live trading Bitcoin here. Actually, I could see if there's some funner altcoins to trade here, maybe some smaller altcoins. Let me see what's moving here. We got TRB. Let's go ahead and do a funner trade here with some of the money we have left over. We have TRB here. I'm actually going to go short on this. We're going to do, let's do something a little bit more risky and fun. We're going to do 3x leverage, and I'm actually going to enter $1,500 here short on TRB. Okay, this is an altcoin that's been pumping a lot. We actually caught a massive short on this, guys, in the Telegram group, exclusive Telegram group, where you know, we basically caught this around 54 bucks and shorted it down to around 47, $48. So we made massive profits on that trade. A lot of the members in the Telegram group did as well with me. And of course, the Telegram group is available for all of you. Link in the description below to the Telegram group. And of course, guys, if you want to trade on the best platform out there with a bunch of coins, right? We got many altcoins here to trade from. Whether you like to short coins or long coins, you can do everything on this platform. Therighttrader, the best exchange out there, available in the US, Canada. You can use a VPN if you want to. They respect your privacy. You don't have to do KYC. So very, very, you know, powerful platform and the best crypto exchange. No questions out there in the time being. You know, there's very few platforms where you can trade anywhere in the world. No KYC required. You can use a VPN. They have some of the lowest fees in crypto. And with my referral link, guys, you get VIP level 1. So you get even lower trading fees. Okay. So please, guys, take advantage of that. Link to Fairdesk down in the description below. You can even join me on these trades if you want, non-financial advice, but we'll see how this goes. You know, I like to short some of the altcoins that pump a lot. I do like to short them, but you have to stay patient, right? Because sometimes they don't drop right away. But right now, you can see my liquidation price is at $140 for TRB, so I'm quite confident that this short will close in a nice profit. And actually, let's go ahead and set the take profit here. We're going to set, and guys, please, for anybody who's watching, this is a very, very exceptional live stream. I usually don't share my take profits with you guys live, but I wanted to do it here for all of you to celebrate my return to YouTube. So we have a nice 53% profit target, another $1,000 that we can make right there. Just went ahead and set that take profit. I usually do not share this, guys, but feel free to look at these trades, see how they go, and if you see their success, guys, join the Telegram group, okay? I want to see a lot more members there, and all of the members who've joined have been making amazing profits with me and have been very, very thrilled with the Telegram group. And actually, I've been more active in the Telegram group than I have been on YouTube. So go ahead and check it out, guys. Link in the description below. And, join the Right Trader team, guys. Join Fairdesk, link in the description. Best trading platform and the Telegram group. Okay, you can find both those in the link down in the description below. Let me go ahead and take a look real quick at Matic here. Matic, see how that's been doing. It's still kind of just hanging around this. It's kind of trading like XRP here, actually. It just kind of range bound. I like this area. If you're willing to potentially hold through more nothingness or a little bit more downside even, and maybe DCOA, this is a good long-term buy here for Matic, okay? It's a great network and some nice returns. Now, of course, right, it ain't the returns that you could potentially get on something like Solana. With Solana, guys, we're looking at, 1,000% plus profit potential, okay? So I really, really do like Solana, and I will like it even more if we drop a bit lower again. Okay, I'd love for us to see it go back down to $10 or even lower than that. It would be really a amazing buy risk reward wise. A bit risky because it's Solana, right? There's been a lot of drama with that, but still nonetheless good potential. The network itself, guys, is amazing in my opinion. Okay, they had some interruptions back in the day, but I've been using it to move around money in crypto, and it's been actually the smoothest network to move around USDT and things like that I have ever used. Okay, Solana and Tron are the two best ones, and of course, right, you can deposit with Tron on Fairdesk as well. And you can see here our TRB trade is already going in the profit. We have our take profit target already set. I think TRB is going to drop a lot, guys, in the next couple weeks. I could see this thing going back down towards $20. But like I said, right, I like to keep our trades, within time frames where hopefully within a matter of days or a maximum a week and a half, 2 weeks, we can get out of the trade for a nice profit, right? Make a couple $1,000 and on to the next. That's what I like to teach everybody in the Telegram group, okay? And actually, a lot of the times with altcoins, you can actually close these trades out a bit quicker than Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin takes a lot of time to move, especially when you're moving short, right? On Bitcoin, you need to be ready that maybe it'll go against you a little bit, right? Like it's going with me right now. It's going a little bit against me. But if I hold patient, right, I think we're going to see that weakness play out. In terms of when I think a bull market might happen, at this point, it's very hard to say, guys. I think that we have another year of a bit of bear market, right? Or at least, neutral, right? A bit of up, a bit of down, but overall, no major breakouts, no major all-time highs for Bitcoin or Ethereum. In fact, talking about Bitcoin or Ethereum, I should do a technical analysis on it because a lot of you have not gotten any of my live streams recently, so I will repost. Actually, if I look back at my analysis here, which is fully playing through, I said that if we break out of this symmetrical triangle pattern, which we did, we were going to move lower, and in fact my take profit target was all the way down here at $1,124, guys. This could be a hint of what might come to the altcoin market, okay? Things like Polygon, etc. could get very, very wrecked here, okay? Even if we don't go lower than $1,000, which I'm afraid that the risk is there if we go lower. Now, just to show you guys, my technical analysis is very, very detailed, guys. I've been in the game for over 8 years now, and you can see here, take profit for Bitcoin, or sorry, downside target, but also take profit if you're potentially in a short trade, right around 21,500, a little bit above that, okay? That's about a 22% drop. That corresponds exactly, okay, in terms of what I think would happen with ETH, where if Bitcoin goes there, I think that's going to be this move right here for ETH, okay? So, it's going to be about twice as big for Ethereum, right? Ethereum has a higher beta than Bitcoin. It can outperform it in bull markets, but in bear markets, it's going to underperform Bitcoin a bit. And that's why there's some risk here. And if in the chart actually for ETH also looks worse kind of in every way. Okay, we have a very clear double top here. We have this range where we're not in the higher end of this range like we are with Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is kind of pushing the higher end of its range. ETH is right in the middle. Okay, and probably going to start moving back here in the next week or two, lower again, and then we're going to get that breakdown. Okay, if you enjoy my analysis, guys, hit that like button, support the channel, guys. I need your support. I got demonetized on YouTube, so please, guys, hit that like button, support the channel, talk in the chat like others have. If you have any questions, any coins, any altcoins you want me to do analysis on, if you want me to answer your questions about the crypto market or give me my thoughts on anything, let me know down in the comment section below. Frank W says, how often do you trade per day? On average, I would say about once a day. For the Telegram group, we have about 1 to 2 trades a week, I'd say on average. That is sort of the amount that, now why do I trade more personally? Some trades are very short term. I don't want to share, I only give the best trades in the Telegram group, guys. So that is where you really can get the gold and get massive profits here. Blue, why don't you tell them about some of your winning trades recently that you got in the Telegram group? Blue has went from being a fairly beginner trader to being extremely patient, holding through his trades, and then taking profits at the right time, really making pretty insane profits. I believe in the last 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, he got two double-digit percent return trades. Okay, so big congrats to Blue and any of other members of the Telegram group. Okay, available link down in the description below to the Telegram group, guys. You will not be disappointed. And of course, guys, if you want to make any crypto futures trades, it's very important that you're on a trustworthy exchange like Fairdesk. Okay, fully functional platform. You can go long, you can go short, you can hedge, you can trade altcoins, you can trade Bitcoin. You have massive options in terms of leverage. Okay, you can go very high risk, but I like to keep the risk a bit lower to increase that chance of profit. And here we have 2 trades open, both short, guys. We got Bitcoin 5x short right now. Just going to stay patient on this one, and also our TRB short. Okay. Now you'll notice for both of these that our liquidation price is very, very high. That's a good thing. Okay, that means that it's extremely unlikely that we get liquidated and lose our trade, lose money, and it's much, much more likely that we get those multi-$1,000 returns here. So both these trades will make me over $2,000 in profit if the take profits get hit. Should only take about 2 weeks here for both of these to close out based on my analysis. Okay. Now, Mikey likes it, says, nice. Thank you for the support, Mikey. Blue says, who is a member of our Telegram group, says he thinks that within the past 1 to 2 weeks, you have 2 trades, even better than I remember, 2 trades over 30%, guys. So if you want to see that type of success, join the Telegram group. This is not me saying it. It's Blue. You can check his comment right here in the comment section on YouTube. He was one of our first members in the Telegram group and has been very happy since. So thank you once again, Blue, for sharing your trades and success with us and supporting me always on YouTube and in the Telegram group, right, which is my most exclusive and private community for people who want to take their trading to the next level, guys. Trading is very hard to learn. You need to understand risk management. You need to understand how these things work, guys, because if not, you will blow up accounts in crypto, okay? And my goal is to teach trading the right way, okay? The channel is called The Right Trader. We teach trading the right way. I've made all the mistakes before. 8+ years of experience, guys, in crypto alone. And, this is what I do. I take strategic trades at the right time, proper risk management, proper, margin positioning, okay, to be able to make those massive profits. And keep in mind, guys, I'm being very conservative and safe here with what I'm showing you, okay? I could easily run this down to, let's say, 31 bucks. Okay, that'd be an over 100% trade on this position alone, okay? So, keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. There is even opportunity for bigger profits. It just depends how much risk you want to take. Frank W says, thanks for the info. No problem, guys. I'm here to answer any and all of your questions. Keep in mind the market is neutral right now, leaning a little bit more towards bearish, but mostly neutral. for the last month or so. And, it's not going to stay neutral forever, guys. Now, granted, we could see some up and down, right? Maybe we'll only go down to $1,000 and then bounce back a bit. But don't expect pure bullishness, right? Meaning new all-time highs or new highs for the next year or so, I'm afraid. Okay. Now, of course, right, if we're able to break higher, like I said, mainly we're going to be looking at Bitcoin for this. If Bitcoin can get back above 31K, we can really start to open some long trades again to at least right up to our previous target of around 48K. But right now, guys, you can see this, right? We saw before we were bullish. Now we broke down, guys. We have a change of trend, a very, very clear change of trend. Okay. So, look at those signs, guys, and pay attention to that stuff. Okay, that gives you the answer right there. If you want to learn more about technical analysis, we also have our technical analysis master course, guys. Link to that in the description down below. Make sure to go follow me on Twitter as well if you want to get updated with all my insights and videos. So right now, just still taking a look at these two positions here. Let's see if there's any other interesting trades to potentially be taken here. Just looking at some altcoins. I like to look at some of the biggest movers and biggest losers to see where there is some action going. I want to see if there's potentially an opportunity to take a bit of a shorter term trade for you guys. I kind of like this trade here. This looks pretty weak right now. Just checking through here, seeing if there's any opportunities for a long or a short. Right, look at how nice the Fairdesk platform is, guys, to make it all so easy to look around and see the opportunities. Hi-Fi is showing some signs of strength here, and my positions are going slightly against me. Let me just go for a bit of a long hedge on this. We're going to do 5x and going to do a little long here. I'm going to exit this by the end of the live stream. But let's just see if I can make some quick profits for you guys here live. No guarantees on this, though. Mikey is talking about AVAX, perhaps. Are you talking about, do you want me to take a look at the chart and do an analysis on that? Let me know down in the comment section below, Mikey. Just entered another short-term trade. So, these two trades, could take about 2 weeks to close. This shorter-term trade here, I'm just trying to catch a little bit of a pump. Okay, there's some strength here on Hi-Fi. So we're going to see how this goes. I'll close this out regardless by the end of the live stream. But let's just see how this plays out here. We're seeing the market move up a bit, which led me to enter this long. Just targeting about $50 or so in profit with this. We'll see if I can get lucky on that. Mikey is asking for a analysis on AVAX. Let's go ahead and take a look at AVAX, guys. Used to be one of my favorite coins. Unfortunately, the project development was not as high as I would have liked to see it in this bear market, right? And I do think that AVAX has some serious competition with things like Solana. And I think Solana is maybe a little bit better in every way. Now, with that being said, okay, AVAX is still one of the best layer 2 platforms. So that is the balance to keep in mind, and it is very low right now, okay, compared to its all-time high. It's been, consolidating nicely if we look at the chart. But of course, right, very big, kind of pump and dump. But I do expect this one to recover in the next bull market, okay? We could even get some pumps before that, but let's look at the more detailed chart here to get a better idea of what's going on with AVAX, requested by Mikey here. So, okay, first off, we're going to clean up this disgusting chart. And we can see here that, as I said, right, we do have this support here, but we're really crushing on it right now. So, in fact, this bounce that we got is marginally bullish because all it was is a bounce kind of off this massive drop and last ditch support level. Okay, I mean, if we lose the $10 level, guys, we're going back to $5 for AVAX. And I'd like to say that isn't going to happen, but unfortunately, there's a fairly high chance that that could happen Because now if you're in it for the long term, no problem, right? I mean, $5 buy on AVAX is a great idea in my opinion, but that's not financial advice. And you see how it's moving, right? So if we get that 40% drop on ETH that I had analyzed, well, you can only imagine that it's very, very likely that we do see that $5 area being hit for AVAX. Okay, so you can just see, I kind of call this the slump pattern. Okay, where we are kind of consolidating, but in fact we're actually just slumping downwards here. So it isn't a bullish pattern, guys. It is not a bullish pattern. Let's see how the trades are going. TRB going a bit against me. This tends to happen quite often when you try to short strong altcoins. Let's see if we can get enough of a market bounce here to take profit on hi-fi. And now let's go back to the Bitcoin chart here. Guys, if you want to join me on any of those trades, link in the description down below to Fairdesk, the best crypto exchange platform out there. You need a trustworthy exchange nowadays, guys. Very, very important. Fairdesk allows no KYC, trading in US and Canada. So these are things that you really want to take advantage of, guys. And of course, some of the lowest trading fees in the crypto space, which are very important if you do short-term trades like I'm doing right now on hi-fi. Okay, very, very short-term, almost scalp type trade. Okay. No problem for the analysis, Mikey. Let me know, guys, if you have any other questions. We're in 3 trades right now. We are going green on my short-term trade here, guys, on hi-fi. Let's see if we can get a bit more profit than that. 8 years plus of trading experience, guys, in the crypto space. You can see the risk management here. I don't have stop loss on any of these because my liquidation price is extremely low, which means I'm very unlikely to lose money on any of these trades, guys. And this is what I try to teach all of you, which is why I have the Telegram group, link in the description. And of course, the best crypto exchange where you can fully manage your risk, guys. Whether that's using cross margin, isolated margin, okay. You can use proper risk management on an efficient platform like Fairdesk. A bunch of coins to choose from, guys. You can see that here, right? Well over 150 coins. Altcoins, Bitcoin, everything you want, guys. Let's go back to hi-fi, short-term trade here. Going green again. We catch a nice little pump, guys. I'm going to exit this pretty quickly. Let's see how this goes. $3 in profit right now. That's my short-term trade, and then these two are going to be about 1 to 2 weeks out, maybe 3 weeks. I think most of those will be the Bitcoin and TRB trade should be closed by then. We are going into the profit here on hi-fi, my short-term trade, guys. You can see my level of trading skill live here. This was a very quick analysis, 15 bucks in profit. Let's see here if we can go a bit higher. I will take profits on that. That'll buy me a nice little meal. Frank W. Yeah, he uses another trading platform and he says the fees are awful, guys, which is really why you want to be on an efficient platform like Fairdesk, guys. Boom, $20 in profit. Let's take that profit, guys. Closed. There we go. Nice little lunch there. Paid for, right? That's the power of trading, guys. You saw it live short term, guys. I took the profit in front of your eyes. You saw me do the analysis. You saw me do the entry, right? I saw that there was strength on hi-fi. I looked at some of the strongest performing coins and lowest performing coins. In and out, guys. In and out. Took the profits. 20 bucks. Stay conservative. I just wanted to show it for you. Could have probably held this a little bit longer, right? But I just wanted to show you how quickly you can make money when you're trading conservatively. That was only with a bit less than $2,000, guys, okay? You can see here we're actually pumping a bit more. But like I said, guys, I wanted to close this out before the end of the live stream. So you saw it before your eyes, as always, guys. The level of my trading skill that I share with you, all of my trades, all of my tips, all of my knowledge in the Telegram group, link down in the description below, guys. I truly hope we get some new members after this live stream, okay? And actually, I will, if you join the Telegram group now, I will make sure to add you instantly to the Telegram group, okay? So you will get my invitation, and I will add you to the Telegram group where you will get live access to the trades, all the information I share in there. Exclusive group, and of course, you will get all my take profit, stop loss details, everything you need as well. Okay. You can see here in the comment section down below some of the members talking, right? Like Blue, who made over 30% in 2 trades that were over 30% in the past 1 to 2 weeks only. Okay. That gives you an idea of the level of success. And I trade before your eyes, guys. You see me trade before your eyes many times. You see the risk management that I use, and you see the success. So there's no reason not to join, guys. Link to the Telegram group down in the description below. If you join now, I will add you instantly to the Telegram group so you don't miss out on any trades. And make sure to check out Fairdesk, guys. Sponsor of the channel, my favorite exchange, the exchange I use personally. The best crypto exchange I've ever used, period. The lowest fees. It's so functional, so smooth, so efficient, guys. And this is what you need if you're doing, crypto trading. Okay, it's very, very important. I showed you guys at the beginning of this live stream what happened, in the news with FTX. Everybody lost their money. People got wrecked. There's a lot of these things in crypto. There's a lot of hacks. You need to stay within a trustworthy platform like Fairdesk, guys. It's very important. So if you haven't made the switch over to Fairdesk, please do now, guys. Link in the description down below. Frank W. said, I was concerned about my mental health in trading, but 1 to 2 trades a week sounds healthy. Yes. That's the thing, guys. I only share the best trades in the Telegram group. And, if I'm just sending you guys short-term trades like the hi-fi trade I did every, 4 hours, it's going to be too stressful, right? A lot of you are more beginners. They need time. They need to be, focused when they put their trade in. So that's why I only give you guys the best of the best trades, low stress trades where you can enter comfortably. You don't have to enter like a maniac in 10 seconds and exit in 3 minutes later, like I did in the hi-fi trade. No, these are more developed trades, kind of like what I'm doing here with Bitcoin and TRB, right? Can take, anywhere from 1 to 3 days to 1 to 2 weeks to close out of the trades usually. And you see here our extremely efficient risk management here. We don't even have a stop loss set, guys. Sometimes I do set stop losses if there are higher risk trades, but most of the time, since I'm confident on the trades, guys, this is how we do it. Now, guys, yeah, a lot of you say if there's too many short-term trades a day, it's too stressful, which is why I don't do that in the Telegram group, guys. You only have the best of the best given to you. 1 to 2 trades a week. If there's no good trades, I won't even give you any trades, guys. I'm not here to just BS around and, I'm not in the business of BS, guys. I mean, this is professional trading. Been doing this for 8 years now. You can see now I exited the hi-fi trade at a good time. It dropped a lot since then. And now the TRB and BTC trades are looking better as well. TRB moving back towards the green also, okay? So you saw it all live before your eyes, guys. You saw how I pick out these trades. You saw a bit more analysis for Bitcoin and TRB, right? Hi-Fi, I have a lot of experience, so I know when to enter these trades, when to get out very quickly. But yeah, 20 bucks made. Going to be a lot more made on these 2 other trades. Hopefully, I'll be here to live stream the exit of these trades as well. And, my dinner is paid for, guys. And that's what I truly hope and pray for all of you. So, once again, guys, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Join Fairdesk, guys. It'll take you literally seconds to sign up. And you can start depositing and trading on that. And of course, no KYC required. You can use a VPN if you're in the US, Canada, UK, wherever you are. You can join. You can use a VPN. They respect your privacy, guys, which is so important nowadays. Very hard to find in the crypto space. And of course, this is all available to you with Fairdesk. Link in the description down below, guys. Make sure to join with my referral link. You will get VIP level 1, which will reduce the trading fees even lower, guys. These are extremely low trading fees, okay? 0.02, 0.04, but you'll get even lower than that with my referral link, okay? So make sure to use that. And thank you all for watching, guys. We're going to close this out for today. Good to be back. Thank you for the support, everybody, and I'll catch you all very soon. Have a great day, everybody. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.